They are the tuxedoed travelers of the Southern Hemisphere, agile swimmers, devoted parents, and social creatures of the ice. Welcome to the world of penguins. Penguins belong to the family Sphinicidae. Though flightless, these birds are expert swimmers, spending half their lives in the sea hunting krill, fish, and squid. Sharp jaws and spiny tongues help them catch and swallow their prey whole. The emperor penguin is the largest, reaching 1.1 meters tall and weighing 35 kilograms. The smallest, the little blue penguin, stands just 30 centimeters tall. Larger penguins inhabit colder regions, while smaller ones prefer temperate climates. Millions of years ago, penguins were even larger, some as tall as humans. Fossil records reveal their past diversity. Penguins are highly social. Most species breed in vast colonies, but some prefer solitude, like the yellow-eyed penguin. Courtship rituals strengthen seasonal monogamous bonds. Most lay 2 eggs, except for emperor and king penguins, which lay 1. Both parents take turns incubating, though emperor males do it alone. Penguin eggs have thick shells for protection. The yolk is proportionally large, sustaining chicks if food is delayed. Some species, like emperor penguins, form chick groups called creches for warmth and safety. Not all penguins live in the cold. Thanks to the cool Antarctic Humboldt Current, the Galápagos penguin thrives near the equator. Penguins inhabit Argentina, Australia, Namibia, and beyond. Their distribution follows Bergmann's rule: larger species in colder areas, but ocean currents also shape their habitats. Climate change and overfishing threaten many penguin species. On Pig Island, a colony of 2 million king penguins has shrunk to 200,000. Penguins depend on us to protect their world. By preserving their habitats, we can ensure these remarkable birds continue to thrive. This is the story of the penguin, nature's elegant survivor of land and sea.